Welcome back. Dispensary run by the Sankwal Panchayat needs immediate attention. No proper facilities to the patients. Locals fear a threat to their life. On the other side, Panchayat Secretary has termed the dispensary illegal and informed that talks are on to hand over the dispensary to the Health Department.
We had a walk through the dispensary. Have a look. This is the nurse room. It's almost a storeroom. Look at the operation theatre. There are equipments, but they are lying unused from past many years. The electricity board seems fractured. Garage is not open for almost many years. No medicines and no hygiene for safe health care. This is a sorry state of dispensary in operation since 1989.
पण आता 21 वर्षानंतर हे पळयता तिकाच कोणे वखद दिवचे अशें जालां. तिका हांगा समज कोणी पेशंट आयलो जाल्यार वखदां ना.
This dispensary, when started, was serving around 25 to 30 patients, but now there are hardly 5 patients visiting the dispensary. Dr. A.V. Kamath has been working here from the inception.
2009 आयिल्लो लास्ट 2009 प्रोग्राम आमी 2010 सामके काबार जाले तेन्ना आमी परते डिसेंबर 2010 परते जाय म्हणून दिल्ले बरोबर ताजे उपरांत अजून सप्लाय ना.
Panchayat Secretary has some shocking revelation. He says the dispensary itself is illegal. He claims that talks are on to hand over the dispensary to the health department.
Legal provisions पळयत जाल्यार पंचायत पयली सुवातेर डिस्पेन्सरी चलोवंक शकना.
सध्या आता जी आता डिस्पेन्सरी जवळ 22 वर्सां जाली चलयता ती इल्लिगली चलयता कशी जाली.
आता तशेंच म्हणचे पडले पूण आता रिसेंटली डेव्हलपमेंट्स आर टेकिंग प्लेस दॅट पंचायत इज ऑलरेडी मूव्ड अ proposal to hand over the said dispensary to the health department and the negotiations are going on.
A reporter from Sankwal, Surendra Madkaikar.
Now, news from sports. Baichung Bhutia received a dream farewell to his glorious playing career in Indian football with much celebrated match against Bayern Munich on Tuesday. The Indian football legend led the country for one final time as the men in blue took on the giants from Germany in the Audi Football Summit. The result of the match was, however, a foregone conclusion as India are no match for the Bavarians and went down by 4 goals.
The Nehru Stadium in Delhi was a choco-block for the highly awaited farewell match for Baichung Bhutia, who has been the face of Indian football for over 1.5 decades. The visit of Germany's biggest club, Bayern Munich, also meant that the football fans from the country got a golden chance to see some of the best international players play in front of their eyes. To commemorate the occasion, Baichung was presented a special Bayern jersey which had autographs of all the Bayern players on it. The match, as expected, was completely one-sided as Bayern Munich dominated the proceedings throughout.
What about this? Iron Robin provides the cross for Muller's goal.
But again, Joe, what foot is Iron Robin? Left-footed. Get him down the byline on his right foot. Get closer to him, push him down the byline.
He can't kick with his right foot.
He can't kick with his right foot, as Budgie says. He's
no one's a bit late there, isn't it?
You've got to force him down the right-hand side.
Yeah, that's correct.
Muller's second.
This is a great ball in, great cutback, great piece of skill. You can't do much about that, Joe. You know, remember, this team has done what to Manchester City. They've done it to Napoli.
We've seen Schweinsteiger do stuff like this before, haven't we? Bang!
Oh, yeah, he's got a bullet in there.
No team stops that.
No, he's got a bullet in his right foot. He's a top player, to be fair to you. But I mean, let's be honest. That would have graced any game and any pitch. I mean, he is given a lot of space, but look at that.
Oh, that's bang. Class. You know, it was Germany's best player in the World Cup, Schweinsteiger.
Yes,
you know, he's been out through injury, but
German automobile manufacturer Audi presented Baichung with the stunning Audi Q5. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Sahyadri and Iqbal 11 moved into the next round of Babu Brothers 2020 cricket by winning their respective matches on Tuesday. The tournament is being played at Fatorda.
Sahyadri defeated Para cricketers by 27 runs. Sahyadri won the toss and elected to bat. Syed Sheikh was the top scorer for Sahyadri with 27 runs. Vishal Dabolkar made 22 runs while Sandesh Opkar contributed 20 runs. Sahyadri posted a decent total of 119 runs in 20 overs, losing 9 wickets. Para's Rupesh Desai, Manoj Haldankar and Sandesh Kamble picked up 2 wickets each. In reply, Para cricketers were all out for 92 runs in 17.5 overs. Only Manoj Haldankar provided some resistance to Sahyadri bowlers, scoring 51 runs. Mahesh Kamble was the most successful bowler for Sahyadri with 4 wickets to his credit. Durgesh Naik claimed 3 wickets while Teck Bahadur picked up 2 wickets. Mahesh Kamble was named man of the match. In the other match, Iqbal 11 from Margao defeated Politics 11 from Mapsa by 21 runs. Batting first, Iqbal 11 made 125 runs while Politics 11 could only manage to score 104 runs. Iqbal's Mukhtiar Kadir was the man of the match for his contribution of 41 runs. Nitin Hegde took 4 wickets for Iqbal 11. Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias and Samir Bhatt.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.